How to download Fortnite on Android. In this video, we're going to see how you can easily download Fortnite on Android device. First thing you have to do is simply go ahead and open up your Google Chrome. And here, all you have to do is simply search for Epic Games. Once you search for it, tap on the first link that you see. And then click the Epic Games Store icon at the top left corner of your screen. So tap on the drop down and from the Play section, go to Fortnite. Once you go to Fortnite, you can just click on the install button at the top right corner. And you can see various ways to download Fortnite. So tap on download Epic Games Store first. Now it's going to show you a pop-up to download this. So click on download again if you haven't already. As it should start downloading, then you should open the second step is to open the Epic Games Store, enable installing unknown apps, and then install Epic Games Stores. In the Epic Games Stores, you can download Fortnite and follow the prompt. So from here, once that is open, you could just go ahead and search for Epic Games Stores, APK, tap on it, tap on install, and it should start installing the app.